Hello and welcome to How to Save Sweet Pea Seeds. After the sweet pea flowers die off, pea pods will grow in their place. Pea seeds will then start to form inside the pods. Leave the pods on the plant until they become brown and crispy, then you can cut them off. Inside each pod will be a row of brown seeds. Open the pod and remove them. Label an envelope, then place the seeds inside it. Now store the envelope in a cool, dark, dry place. If you would like to find out how to grow the seeds next year, please take a look at my video, How to Grow Sweet Peas from Seed. I'll post the link here. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.